Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to the 10-Day Bead Soup Challenge. So if you're new to my challenges, every couple of months I do a challenge where people watch the daily videos and they create works based on the tutorials. And then when you share pictures of your work in the Facebook event page, you can have a chance to win all kinds of prizes at the end of the challenge. In this video, I'm going to be explaining some of the supplies and materials that you're going to need for the challenge. As always, I give options, so don't worry if you don't have all the supplies, because there's always a simpler options that you can do to continue in the challenge. Don't worry if you don't have Facebook. At the end of the challenge, you can always email me the 10 photos of your work from the challenge, or you could direct message them to me on Instagram at Heather Boyd Wire. So I'm really excited about the challenge. I can't wait to see what everybody's going to create. We start on Monday, March 1st, and the videos premiere at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The replay will always be available to watch after the fact, and you'll have a couple of extra days at the end of the challenge to submit your photos. So if you do all 10 challenges, you'll be eligible to win a prize in the draw. It's going to be a random draw happening on March 13th. It's a Saturday at 12 noon Eastern Time. And the deadline for submissions is Friday, March 12th at midnight Eastern Time. So here are some of the materials we're going to be needing for the challenge. Like I said, there's always options if you don't have all of these materials. For sure you need beads. So these are my smaller beads. These are seed beads and beads that are around 4 millimeter and less. And these are just other random beads that are around 6 to 8 millimeters, all kinds of different sizes and stuff. So whatever you have is great. Of course, you need tools. We have round pliers. I have 2 sizes of round pliers, flat pliers, and nippers. And for your wire, this is 16 gauge for the sun catcher size. I have 18 gauge, 20 gauge, and 24 gauge. Also, we have some projects that are a necklace. So this one is the tiger tail. It's basically a nylon coated stainless steel wire. If you don't have this, if you have a leather cord or any kind of cord for a necklace, or you might end up just making the pendant, which is also totally fine. And then I'm going to be making a bracelet with this Stretch Magic elastic cord, but that also, if you don't have the elastic cord, it's fine. There are options for the bracelet. So other things that you might need, we're going to be making a brooch. So if you have a pin back, like a bar pin back, that's great. I have these little discreet wire pins that I bought tons of them many years ago, and if you wanted to buy this kind of straight pin, I have them in my Etsy supplies shop. Otherwise, a bar pin is fine, and in a pinch you can use a safety pin just for the sake of these samples in the challenge. And then for your necklace wire, whatever closings you're going to need with the tiger tail, you need crimps and split rings and clasps or other kind of clasps. And then we'll be making some earrings, so be sure to have some earring hooks. So good luck everybody with the challenge. I'm very excited to see what everybody creates, and we'll see you Monday.